So Cubana Chief Priest, who is loyal to Tinubu's son, who is also loyal to Kashin Shettima, and who have been forming all sorts of loyalty to APC government and Bola Ahmed Tinubu, have lost just the primary election. So when I saw the news that the socialite and businessman Cubana Chief Priest has lost the All Progressive Congress APC primary election for the House of Representatives seat for Orsu, Orlu, and Orlu East Federal Constituency of Imo State ahead of the 2027 general election. Cubana Chief Priest, his real name is Pascal Okechukwu, had in recent months declared his intention to venture fully into politics under the platform of the All Progressive Congress APC. When Cubana Chief Priest and the son of the Mr. President came to Imo State, and also Obi Cubana, so they came to do empowerment of the city boy movement. And they were disgraced by the village boys. This man didn't see this thing coming, like he thought it is just going to be a walkover. So even me myself was surprised seeing the news. What transpired, I have not even gotten the full gist. But I was able to speak to people from Orlu precisely. What is going on in the APC primary? He said he don't know, that he's not APC member, he don't mingle with them, and so on and so forth. So I asked him, please help me to find out what led to this man losing this seat. Is it because he and Hope Uzodinma is no longer moving together? Because he was an aide to Hope Uzodinma before. So what went wrong? So I was told that actually he lost it. He lost it because the people voted against him. Then, the people who voted against him, are they just APC members, or who are they? I was told that so many people in Imo State have APC membership cards, but in their blood, they are not members of APC. So these are the people who got the cards because they were forced to have the card. Like, they told them that if you didn't have this card, no empowerment for you. No APC card, no job for you. No APC membership card. Like, if Hope Uzodinma, Cubana Chief Priest, all these people, if they want to do something to their people, they will make sure that you must be their party member person. So they don't do things to people who are in the Labour Party because they are scared of any election, because the Southeastern and the Igbos, they don't vote like other regions. They vote through their mind. You can't force them to do something. You can't use gun to intimidate them. You can't even use money to intimidate them. So because of that, they do everything they could just to make sure they have members. So they told me that a lot of people went to pick APC membership cards, but they are working against APC because they were forced to do that. So these people came to the primary because they have the membership card. What you need to vote during the primary election is your membership card, and your name is there. So they accredit you and you vote. So they line up, they voted against the man. Guess what? I asked that is the person that is giving the information to the person I called. So they told me that the people who just voted against Cubana Chief Priest, not because they are going to vote for the person who win the election on the main election. This is just the village boys showing Cubana Chief Priest that, listen, we own the city, we own the village, we are just the king of the jungle. So this is not your place. You may go back to Lagos where you are coming from. But this is a very brutal and bitter lesson for this guy. I understood that most of the bosses, he funded it for City Boy movement. When he was funding those bosses, what was on his mind? Not because he actually just wanted to do it for the City Boy movement. He knew that he is going to come out for the House of Rep. So those bosses are going to serve during his campaign period. So this was the strategy. City Boy movement bosses, they have showcased it. It shows his loyalty to the president and so on and so forth. But during the campaign, he will use it to do campaign. That is business. Unfortunately, he lost the primary. And most unfortunately, APC is not going anywhere in Imo State again. APC is not going anywhere. So let's see what happened. So that is aside. I'm not happy that Justice Crack is still in detention because he exposed the kind of food that the Nigerian military are eating. And this is something we do every day. So anybody can be a victim, including myself. I could be a victim tomorrow. But even though I'm not scared of anything like that, but I am not just happy that this man is still in detention. However, there are so many things surrounding what transpired in the court. You know, these social issues, I don't like putting my mouth on them and so on and so forth. But because I have been so grateful to the people who are running around to making sure that this guy will be released. I'm talking about Randy Peters, Mama Peace, the rest of them, both the people who, a lot of us don't know that they acted on his behalf. There are so many people who must have acted to getting him out of there. But unfortunately, you know, things surrounding the situation is not pleasing anyway. So we decided to, you know, ask Peter what is going on. And after so many explanations, he decided to do video that was 48 hours ago, explaining what transpired in the courtroom.
Okay, my country people, the case of Justice Crack with all the issues going on, I think it's important say I clear some information. Not because I believe say my explanation fit change anything, because people can still believe what they choose to believe, which I really do not mind. But for those where they follow me, where genuinely they ask wetin really happen, I think I owe you this explanation. And for you to understand wetin happened today, I need to explain from the beginning, because wetin happened today no be today start. So anyhow, this video long, I go try to talk fast. Please listen carefully, because a lot they go on. They say na pride, they say na envy, they say they won't take work from this person because of ego, because of this. No problem. My name is Peter for Nigeria. One thing I believe is say no matter how far a lie runs, the truth will catch up with it. No problem. Barrister Abubakar Marshal, sir, I leave you to God. My prayer for you be say you will not see problem where court or lawyer no go fit solve. Barrister Marshal, even if we no regard human being, make we fear God. Because as it is tonight, as you they go to bed, if in your heart you believe, say the way you don't handle this issue from the beginning, no, not be today. If you know, plus the way where you speak, you spoke to the same justice where you claim to be in lawyer today. So the way you addressed him in court today, if you did nothing wrong, may God reward all of us. Say we just this fight you, may God reward all of us according to our works. So my people, make I go straight because the story long small. From the beginning of this case, you know, say when army carry am and all that, everybody they shout, they can't carry am go DSS. On they carry am go court on the 4th of May, last week Monday. On the 3rd of May, which was on Sunday by 5:20 p.m., I received call from strange number. When I pick, they say, hello, Peter, na me, Justice. I say, Justice Crack. He say, yes. Where you they say, I did DSS. He say, Peter, no time for talk, I beg. Can you come with a lawyer to me at DSS headquarters in the next 30 minutes? By 5:20, 9 person they call me. I say, yes, I go come. I know think twice. Meanwhile, I don't even know lawyer where I won't call. I don't know Barrister Marshal. Now for social media, I know I'm in number where I get now. Now later on, night flag boy send them to me. When he say Marshal won't make a justice wife write complaint through WhatsApp, send to them. He won't write, Barrister Marshal. Anyway, I tell Justice say I they bring lawyer. I call Professor Sam Amadi. He say he day with them Obi and Kwankwa so for where they do NDC. They want say now that was the day where they defect from ADC go NDC. I say please we get a case for hand. The person where we say the law, so he don't call confirm and they say make he come with lawyer. He left what he was doing. He follow us. We go DSS office for their headquarters. They go there. They do the interrogation, the profiling, everything. So they profile Professor Sam as they put his name as Justice Counsel. They no talk say that they carry him go court because army was doing many shenanigans. Una know say by that Monday, the next day we don't plan, we put flyer for protest to Ministry of Defense. That morning we don't mobilize, we dey front of Ministry of Defense, they don't put armored tank, military dog, all of that. We get call. Same DSS one arena. They plan where military been they do that say they go carry and pack go court. Lawyer fit no day, they go use lawyer where they there before you know they remand them. They call us say go to Federal High Court, go with his lawyer that they want to arraign him today. Now so I call Barrister Professor Sam Amadi. He say they arise. You know he's a commentator on Arise. He say they arise for Transcorp. If you dey Abuja, you know the distance between Transcorp and Federal High Court. He say he's not wearing his robe. So because before he reach house, they say justice already dey court. So he run from Transcorp come Federal High Court. He called one Barrister Clement, a senior lawyer. He says he's a very experienced lawyer. I say, please Clement, I am Justice Counsel. Before I reach my house around Lugbe to go carry this thing, come back, the feet don't call in case. Stand in for me. If I come back and they never call him, I will stand in. While we did there, they talk with DSS and all of that. Barrister Femi come, one person they call Femi Balogun, Justice wife say na their family friend, say he don't know justice for long, say na their lawyer. The Femi say himself will won't appear as part of the council. Professor Sam say no problem, please work with Barrister Clement. Now so they enter inside court. From there, Barrister Marshall been there another court. He come say he go join them. They say no, why not? Everybody fit show solidarity appear. The real issue will make the judge put that case adjourn them to a far date of May 25. They never talk am because all the issues will happen for court, which Barrister Marshall is aware of. When the Barrister Clement want to mention themselves as the lead counsel for the defendant, Marshall say no, that he has to be the lead. Before you know, there was a scene before the judge already. The other lawyer say no problem, make Marshall go ahead. Of which Marshall is a junior lawyer to the two other lawyers, so and he be lawyer, he know what it means. The judge, out of, before you know, he said take it to 25th and all of that. Barrister Clement said he felt embarrassed and all. They come out of court. When you know the issues will be happening inside court and waiting when they try to prevent moving forward because you know how sensitive this case be. They say, okay, they go file bail application. Barrister Marshall and Femi started together. They start to file. They say, okay, we'll make they go bring Justice wife because now she go be the deponent. Now she go put passport, signature and all that. They go, Femi call me. We don't carry protest. Go Ministry of Justice, Attorney General. That video where when I see show Ore, they call minister. We did that side. Barrister Femi said they need to go bring Justice wife. By the time he come back, they ask Barrister Marshall, where is the copy of bail application? Because normally once you put for bail, the copy is supposed to be given to the person, the deponent. That is who, in this case, Justice wife. My people, till today, we had to apply to get certified true copy of the bail application from the court because Barrister Marshall did not make it available to anybody. Everybody called, Professor Sam called, say, now we have gone there to the DSS and all of that. Let us put our head together. This case, it is important that the lawyer and the legal team be tight. Army can do anything. They can come and amend charges. As we they push, they may they strike out the case and all that. Let us work. Barrister Marshall will have been busy. Only for us, finally, when the true copy of the bill application come out, look at the names. I go paste them there so that you can see. The lawyers who deal with you will appear as fellow counsels who are senior to you. Somehow, their names are not on it. You went back to take out their names and put the names of lawyers who know the court. You can see Barrister Deji Adeyonju, Barrister Inibe Hefiong. Barrister Inibe Hefiong is our senior friend and lawyer. He lives in Lagos. He's not even in Abuja. Barrister Marshall, Shey Deji Adeyonju be in the court. And you know how sensitive this matter be. You know how they want to politicize it with all of the issues where they go on with Obi. Barrister Marshall. Oh, Barrister Marshall. Anyway, then we finally came. Because of all of the issues, you travel, you know, we needed to follow up with the bill application. They won't go do a feed. The judge, nobody responded to us. Barrister Femi Balogun needs to come write a letter to follow up at the court. Look at the letter, dated 11th of May. By Femi Balogun, pleading with the judge to give us a date or hearing because the bail don't delay. If they had known, maybe he would have just filed another bill to withdraw that one. But now God, now they do everything because all things work together for good. Now so they can't work out with registrar before we can't get this date Thursday. Barrister Marshall, you were not in the country. You Russia, this thing, is it Turkey? You came back this early hours of this morning, according to you, they say late last night. Today, they say, okay, they don't give dates. Everybody sit down for court. You came late. Justice was already there with the DSS. The lawyers, the other legal team were there. You removed them from the bail application as counsels, and it is necessary because the courts, the case, they go forward. Apart from bail hearing, the case will go into trial. It is important, say, those who are also lawyers, where the DSS know as his lawyers, should mention themselves in court. And they are also senior to you. Barrister Marshall. The lawyer, Barrister Femi Balogun, stood up to nobody said that Barrister Marshall should be taken out of the case. That is not true, Barrister Marshall, and you know, because you know, say I dey inside court. Barrister Marshall. Barrister Femi Balogun stand up, talk, say he is leading as the prosecutor, as the defense counsel. Alongside you people, he go introduce, hand over to you to read the bail application, of which anybody could have read the bail application. After all, even in your work as human rights lawyers, the major intention is on your client and how to take out the person that is being accused or how to care for them. It was when he stood up and said, okay, let me mention that we are also counsels because you don't already come out our name. We need to establish before the court that we are also. Now we the interview and Barrister Marshall, the justice where you dey talk, say you been lawyer. Have you met justice? All the days where Justice did DSS, have you visited him? Have you taken a direct statement from Justice so that at least when you dey in court, you have first-hand information? Barrister Marshall, is everything about optics? So is they wrong for the lawyers who are senior to you to get up to say they will introduce themselves and call upon you to read your bail application? Because if they been want you to be taken out of the case, they will go there and file a motion for change of counsel. The judge go ask Justice and then that will be it. But nobody wanted you out of the case. They only wanted all of you to come together. Professor Sam asked me, how many times have I called you, Barrister Marshall, where you no pick? Barrister Femi sent you a text to give you the position of things because you know the country, you never responded to it. Barrister Marshall, the thing where you they do fellow senior lawyers where they with you on a case, will you tolerate another lawyer doing it to you? Make case be so bad when you heard waiting the judge talk inside court. The judge, she wanted to even, she out of her mercy. Barrister Marshall, the Justice Abdul Malik, he said, I want you to be brought back tomorrow. I want to hear your bail application. Now the clerk of court, they tell and say, your lord, with my lordship, we cannot do service between 24 hours. We will do it is 48 hours. We will do Friday and Monday. Then they bring on the judge say no, do Friday and Saturday, serve on weekend, bring him on Monday. I want to hear his bail application. Barrister Marshall, everything happens for good though. All things work together for good. So it is not good make people take the work or labor where you do, but it is okay for you to undermine other people where you come meet for work. Today you say that you told the lawyer to come and stand in for you because you come late, you know say you did travel come. Why you not call the people where you know say we have been there together? Barrister Marshall, are you not aware? I not tell you say that Professor Sam Makari go EFCC DSS and that is his a justice lawyer. Barrister Femi is his own personal friend. Why rather take another person to go and stay as counsel where the boy no know? When you have opportunity and you know Femi don't send you text, you never respond. Barrister Marshall, we thank God say man no be God. You are not the Attorney General, you are not the Chief Justice of Nigeria. Everybody they work believing say that we they work so that everything go day okay. But as it is today, he did DSS and by God's grace justice go come out. Me, I've not known Justice, I've known him about 3 or 4 months now, but he's my brother. Nothing can discourage me, nothing will frustrate me. Anything anybody want to talk, no waiting they never talk before. Everything within my God-given ability to ensure say justice is saved, we will do it and it will be done. My name is Peter for Nigeria. So my country people, now the thing will happen be that. Barrister Marshall, anything where person they do, make we know. Say the truth. Even you, when you came out of, as you walk out of court, you knew you had done something terrible. Barrister Marshall, forget all this interview where you did grant. You know, inside your mind, you know. For you to they tell me, say that after all, it is your bail application, is it is or that you can decide to take your bail application, Barrister Marshall. Now you they come talk so that other counsel where they with you go mention say moving forward though we want to also establish what is wrong with that we are counsels, and then they call you, and then even you too you wake up and you can do read your bail application, of which anybody could have read the motion, but you don't even come out the names of the people who help you. Barrister Marshall, did you file that bail application alone? Was Barrister Femi Balogun not with you? Share you do the work alone. Why you remove his name from there? Why is none of the lawyers where you come meet no dey there? Now people where you know say no be part. Barrister Marshall, I will not join issues with you. I don't put the thing where I know will happen from there till today. Moving forward, Nigeria and my country people, God will do it. Justice will be out. You cannot crack justice. Anything where you want, then now the pride, now this is the envy. The thing where you know as a person you will not tolerate. The same courtesy and understanding where senior lawyers extended to you today to do the same thing so that they can harmonize the action. You say no over your dead body. If they know say they cannot give you that, you will be the one to introduce as lead counsel, then you must withdraw your bail application. Withdraw it. Shebi the judge don't give, they don't serve another one. They have even put it out. They don't put them by Monday. By God's grace, by God Almighty grace, this will be over soon. Justice go back, make everybody continue waiting life. My country people, I thank you. Sorry, say na night that they do this video na they just come back. Me Peter for Nigeria. I take a beg.